this problem. Hotel QD. There are n hotel on the street. For each hotel, you know the number of free room. Your task is to assign hotel room from groups of tourists or members of the group who want to stay in the same hotel. The groups will come to you one after another, and you know for each group the number of the room it requires. You always assign a group to the first hotel having enough room. After this, the number of the free room in the hotel decrease. So question question is very simple. We have to assign the we have to assign the first hotel that has enough room that that a group need. So let me explain you this question with help of this example. In this example, we have number of hotel and number of groups, and this is the all the room in the hotel and all the room that group needed. Okay. First, we can solve this problem with help of brute force. Uh, the first group want 4, then we will iterate one by one, left to right. Is there any hotel has more than 4 room or not? And if we find a hotel, we assign this. For now it is 3, and we will we will change simultaneously in the array. And second is also 4, and we again start with left to right, and we when we get a hotel greater than equal to 4, we will assign 5 here. And for 7, there is no hotel exists in the uh, row that has more than 7 room. That's why we can't assign. Here we assign it 0. Similarly, this thing similarly it is happen for 1 and 2. Now the problem is in the brute force is it will go the time complexity of brute force solution is of n cross q, where n is number of the hotel and q is number of the groups. Okay. Now we need to think we need to think something different. For this, we can think about the we can think about the segment tree. Let me explain you the segment tree approach. How can we think with help of segment tree? So in the segment tree, you can see 3 and 2. Now we will use the maximum value, a segment tree that have maximum element in the range. For this is our leaf node. uh, okay, this is our leaf node, and uh, for one, if we go one level up, the segment tree will store like this. uh, for 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay. Now we go for one level up, the segment tree work like this. Okay. Now I prepared a small segmentary, and my logic is very clear. I need to find the length of range, left range, where is the maximum element is uh, less than equal to our requirement. Okay, the length of the range maximum length of range from left. I am starting with 0. Okay, from left, that has maximum element less than equal to our requirement. Let me run for 4. Okay, for uh, let me run my algorithm for 4. 4 is let me run for it for 5. Okay, now you can see the root here is maximum element 6, and 6 is greater than 5. That's why we we go left, because we need a range that has less than the maximum number of range that has the 5. Okay, so 6 is definitely 6 is definitely uh, greater than 5. That's why we go left. And here we notice the node value of this is 5, and it is less than 5. uh, we and let's uh, we propagate back and go right. Here the maximum length is 6. mm, okay, for a second I got confused, but now my concept is clear. Let me explain you this again. Like for 5, we check the root, and root has more value than 5. We check left element is less than 5. We go right. Right has more value than 5, and we will go right. Okay, now we check both children, left and right. Left children has the value of 5, and it is greater than equal to 5. That's why we propagate to left children. Now we check both the children, and we notice that the children is the leaf node, and here this is the greatest element that we are able to achieve during this process, and we will save it. So this is all my code, and I would like to code once. First, let me Let me first I take all the inputs. Okay. Now I will write the template code of segment tree. First I will first uh, so Uh, Sir, if you want, I can also explain you the segment tree, like how I am implementing the segment tree. Here I am just writing the building function of segment tree for uh, yes, sir, you can explain. Okay, so segment tree is nothing but a tree type structure where we store some information in their node, and the leaf of this node is our entire array. And which type of information we store? We can store the minimum value of particular range, the maximum value of particular range, and the sum of the range, and there are different type of information we can store in the segment tree. Okay, and how can we initialize this? Uh, we initialize is it with help of po- post post order traversal, right? So here I just this start and end is nothing but my range. If my range finished, that's mean this particular node is act work like 8. Work like is uh, is index. I can store index, but I think that will not help me to help. I I can store the index, but that might not help me in this question. That's why I didn't store index. Okay, and there is one more thing is query, and how can we uh, ask we, how can we get some information from segment tree. For that we also need to write a algorithm, and this is the most important part in the segment tree. I think in the update function we didn't need a, but I add it this I forgot the syntax of segmentary. I am really sorry about it. Now, now you now we really need to think about the query, like how we how we can see it. So first we compare both the node, left node and right node, and how can we do this? Mm, uh, there is one very big problem that I really don't know which which one is the leaf node and which one is not a leaf node? uh, I can check with help of IDX, but there is one problem. Okay, I just mark ST plus one, and now I didn't. I should not have the problem. If uh, IDS of node is equal to doesn't equal to 0, then return IDS node. Hmm. I don't know this will work or not, but let me try to run this. 1 0 n minus 1 and h. Okay, now go to the cloud. अच्छा, तो v int should work. I know there are very big chance it will not work at the first time. That's why I need help with the ChatGPT. I am really sorry, my viewers. First of all, a very long time I keep silent and to write my code, and I know I am not able to explain this code fully, but please, uh, please, I can promise you that. In every video I will improve myself in the explanatory and in the English and in every angle, and you will find out in every video my explanation become more clear and uh, more correct. But before that, let me find the error. Hmm. There is one very big mistake that I did is missing return, and here I also forgot the return, and here I use return. Okay, he said that I am wrong here. Uh, I I actually didn't need the I index array. I can check with help of std. I am really sorry, guys. Let me give the correct code. If st and uh, mm, no, I might miss something. Please check now. Is there any error? And if there is anyone who think that I am using ChatGPT in the video, let me explain you. This is not for explanation video. This is just a improvement video that I am trying to build and upload in YouTube in the daily basis. And if you have come here to see the solution and learn the concept, uh, welcome in my YouTube channel. I will improve myself in every day, and I will try to use ChatGPT as minimum as possible, and thank you. For now, I just copy this code. I am really sorry about it, uh, because I am desperate why this not work. But this is right exact same thing that I did before. Oh, I forgot to print. This might work, but I forgot to print. Oh, this work. This is working. Almost, I almost do. I almost my code all is almost correct, but there's some syntax error I did, and some logical error I made, but my code is almost correct. Let's go. Thank you everyone to see my video. Bye bye.